Crude oil, long-term forecast for the week of April 29th, fxempire.com. The light sweet crude market, as you can see, had a fairly positive set of sessions over the last 5 days to have a fairly strong week. However, having said that, you can see that the market itself is starting to run into a fairly messy and choppy area. With this being said, we feel that a move to higher levels will then more than likely invite selling pressure at this point, as we have been grinding more or less in a symmetrical triangle for some time now that has just recently been broken to the downside. In other words, we feel that the pressure to the downside should continue, and we could kind of drop down to a lower area to consolidate in for the summer, for example. In the Brent market, it wasn't quite as clear cut, but we definitely see the 103 level being resistive at this point in time, and that is essentially where we close, or just underneath it. We think that selling pressure could come into the market at this point, but we really don't feel clear in this market because of all of this noise here until we clear the 110 level to the upside. So we definitely believe that a downward bias is a way to go in the Brent market going forward, at least until we can make that what looks, at least at right now, to be a fairly extraordinarily strong move to the upside.